Can I help you? Hey, what's up guys? Kenshi here and
Elliot.
yeah, welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually gonna do a paint correction on Tia. I know on a previous video we showed you the quick clay bar detail, but today we're gonna do a paint correction and we have a special guest, and I know you guys know him already. Hello. And it's Sota. Yep, welcome Sota. Hello. So he's gonna show us the paint correction, all the steps we did to get to the point. So all
right, so to correct the paint, Tia does have quite a bit of swirl marks, considering she's from 1997. That's all those years worth of swirl marks all over her, and a lot of oxidation. What makes this haze in the paint is called oxidation. The paint just absorbs oxygen from the air and just hazes itself over. So
yeah, hopefully you guys can see it with the GoPro.
Yeah,
like we could definitely see it, right? You can see it, right, Elliot?
It's definitely not a showroom finish.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go correct it with Meguiars Ultimate Compound. This will take out most of the oxidation, and I'll go through that the entire car, knocking the paint down. That's the most aggressive thing I will use. Then I'll transition over to a Meguiars polish, and this will bring out the shine back in the paint. And at the end, I will wax the car and give it a nice coating of wax that will just make the car hopefully pop the paint.
Oh man, so okay, so guys, so just remember, so before this we already washed the car and we already clay barred it real quick, because we're not going to show you. If you missed that, you know, go watch the older video that we made. So we just wanted to skip that.
So first we're going to do a test spot either right here or right here to see if the paint is actually worth saving. And regardless, even if it's not that good, I'm still going to go through the whole car to make it as shiny as I can. Because Kenny does plan to get it repainted, but we want to make it look as good as we can get it.
Yeah, I'm still unsure of that. I think I'm going to try paintless, paintless dent removal first. Because I just want to keep the original paint, but we'll see. And I might even change it to a different color.
All right. Well, I noticed while I'm doing this job that the Miata has quite soft paint, so while I'm doing this, I realized there's a lot of material coming off of the surface of the Miata, so I guess I have to go a lot slower with this car in the compound to get it nice and shiny. But you can see here that compared to this, it's already bringing out a noticeable amount of more. There's no more swirl mark compared to here. You can see tons of these little swirlies right here, but compared to here, there are no more swirls.
Yeah, that's true. Wow. Wow. Car wash. We can at the car wash.
Hey guys, so we just finished up the hood, and you can see that there's a lot of compound still on there. So this compound loves to stain paint. So what I do is I go with 70% alcohol and I just wipe it down very lightly.
Yeah, so earlier when he put it down, I was coming behind him wiping it off with just another cloth, a clean one. And then this final one, we did it with the alcohol. So, okay.
So we are moving on to Meguiars Ultimate Polish. So this is a polish that we use right after the compound. So a compound, if you could think about it as, say, like a 5,000 grit sandpaper, this would be more like a 10,000. So it's a lot finer. This is going to give us a lot more deep shine. So the same process, but you're not going to spend buffing in one spot a lot, just like the compound. The polish, you're just going to go whoop, and it's going to get all shiny.
Watching Sota, the first step, he was going slow, and you're going to the spot pretty slow.
But for this, say I'll just pick a spot like this.
And also before he did change the wheel too, so This was the first wheel he used. Right. Do you know what these are called? Like the difference?
These are buffing pads. So these are, you can see that the compound is very sucked into there, and the foam is very, very coarse. And for this one, it's very fine.
Yeah, so this is the polishing one, right? He just switched to the polishing.
Yes.
So this is the first step, and that's the second step.
Yes.
Is it color? Is it like that? Is it most of the polishing ones have that color, or no? It doesn't matter color.
It doesn't matter the color. You can buy them in all different kind of colors. Okay. I like green.
Well, yeah, me too. That's my favorite color. So.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna do this. The next step.
Up on to polish and
pretty much process. Just the same, right? Same repeat.
Process. We dab it on, and we buff in.
Yep. Okay, guys. So we just finished the second coat, and so we wiped everything down. We're actually gonna bring it outside and do the waxing out there. So, and again, it takes about an hour each coat, and that's with 2 people, and this is a small car too. And we're not doing a lot of filming with this one, so it does take that long. So just spare at least 3 to 4 hours of your day to do this. So.
Well, just remember that not all cars will be this oxidized. Considering that this car is this old, it took quite a while to get some of the haze out. Yeah. But I mean, if you had, say, like, I don't know, a 2010 Civic and it's looking kind of rough, it probably won't take this long.
Okay.
But, yep.
Yep. Alright, so we're gonna pull it out on the driveway. It does look nice. Oh my god. Okay guys, we're all done. She's a beaut. Not sure if the GoPro can do justice. It's so nice, way better than the first time we did it. Since, you know, the first time was just the clay bar and the wax, and this time is 4 steps. I think I said earlier it was 3 steps, but this is 4 steps if you're counting the clay bar. And so give yourself about 4 hours, and if you count the washing, I guess maybe 4 hours and 20 minutes. 420. So yeah.
Yeah, touch it.
Huh? I know, right? Smooth, like a baby's bottom.
Just put your whole hand on it.
It's really hot.
No, it's hot. So, okay guys, that's all she wrote. I hope you loved it. You liked the video. What do they need to do, Elliot?
Press the like button and subscribe.
Yeah, that's right. Love you guys. Take care.